Et nous voilà repartis. Cabane au bord du lac, avec un brouillard monstre. Ça fait pas peur du tout. Je n'ai pas peur. Et puis le truc... Ah, le lac. Nager dans le lac, direct. Enlève tes vêtements et va nager dans le lac.
Oh, gee, I would, but I forgot my swimsuit at home.
Petit cendrier. Ah, on va enfin pouvoir refourguer les
Somebody around
clopes.
here is a chain smoker. We have something in common. Good to know. It's totally overflowing with cigarette butts.
Ça déborde. Est-ce qu'on lui vole?
55 degrees. Not too chilly, thankfully.
On va lui voler des choses.
It doesn't belong to me. I don't want to take it without a good reason.
Oh bah ça t'a pas empêché tout à l'heure. La Catmobile. Très bien. On va voir s'il
I
y a
can see
quelqu'un.
someone moving inside. I can see someone moving inside.
T'es forte. Allez, allons-y.
Yes?
Bonjour.
Can I help you?
I hope so. My
Madame.
name's Rain. Kathy Rain.
Joseph's girl. The one they sent away.
Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
l'élu.
Well, what do you want?
I had some questions about your daughter, Lily.
Well, you know what? I don't have any answers, girl. Lily was precious, special. Lily died. That's all there is to it.
My grandfather came to see you,
C'est
right?
pas faux.
To ask about her?
Maybe he did. I don't see how that's any of your business.
Bah si t'es mon
I'm not
grand-père.
asking for much, Mrs. Myers.
Then clearly you have no idea what it's like losing a child. Goodbye.
Ah. Bon, à propos de ce thermomètre que je voulais pas voler.
It doesn't belong to me. I don't want to
Bon.
take it without a good reason. I don't see how those things work together.
Passe-le sous la porte. Ça va lui donner le sourire.
Stop it!
Ah bah là tu veux bien parler, tiens. Combiner rapport de police. Paf.
I don't want to show her that. I should try to get her on my side first.
Ah, comment ça? Comment ça, c'est un peu direct? Mais non, mais... Ce que ça fait de perdre un enfant. Tu veux une clope? Putain, si c'est ça.
Stop it!
Tu veux une clope?
Care to join me for a smoke, Mrs. Myers?
Well, I'm gonna have to think about it.
Bon.
What brand?
Corley cinders. Extra long.
You got taste. I'll give you that. Well, I suppose one smoke can't hurt.
C'était ça. Énorme.
And that's when he realized it was his own bong.
Son propre.
Oh my, oh now that was a good one. You know what, Kathy? You're okay. Sorry for being such a cranky old bag before. I get a short fuse when I run out of smokes.
Même avec
Now
les
that's
cigarettes,
an
hein.
understatement. Good thing I had my morning smoke, otherwise we would have had a fist fight on our hands.
Oh, it's getting chilly. Why don't we head inside?
Sure, let's go.
Oh, bonjour.
Now, this here's my boy Nathan. He's special.
Ah, il est
Nate,
spécial.
be polite and say hello to Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
Hi there, big guy.
Really big guy. Bon, tu m'as l'air en forme. Ma maman, elle me dit que je suis spécial.
Very lifelike. Contrary to popular belief, I don't believe the owls are more than what they seem.
Croyance populaire, je connais pas.
Yet another burial ground for those sweet, addictive, not to mention cancer-inducing sticks of tobacco. I'm a huge fan. Nice view of the lake from here.
Dis-moi, Nathan, tu veux une clope?
I don't think Sue would approve.
Oh, bah comment ça? Bon.
What
Dis-moi
you doing,
bonjour,
big
Nathan.
fella?
Drawing.
Oh yeah?
Drawing.
What are you drawing?
Mais t'as quel âge? T'as
Nice
28
red
ans?
man.
You mean Santa?
No, the nice red man.
Oh.
Now, what did I say about raising your voice at strangers?
Sinon, je te
Sorry,
file une
Mama.
tarte.
I'll be nice. The red man is nice.
Don't mind him. He gets so absorbed in his drawings thanks to that wild imagination of his, just like his sister.
Ça fait combien de temps que vous n'êtes pas sorti de votre cabane?
Nah, he's stuck in his own little world.
Le Redman. Tu veux un petit coup de taser?
That won't be necessary. He's totally harmless.
Ouais, il m'a l'air costaud quand même. Hein. Tu veux voir le rapport de suicide de ta sœur?
I don't need to show that to him.
Quel connard! Doucement la musique.
Nice painting. It's signed LM.
Ah, j'ai pas demandé, mais le son du jeu est équilibré? Je pense que oui. Peinture, paf, cuisinière. Le bois.
Elk, by the looks of it. They're fairly common in Conwell Woods.
Un élan? Il faut y voir un élan.
I can smell something cooking.
Bon. Ok. Canapé. Allez, je vais m'asseoir.
So, you wanted to ask me about Lily?
Yeah. Do you mind telling me what happened when my grandfather came to see you?
Well, he knocked on my door a few years after Lily had passed away. I didn't know Joseph too well myself, but I'd heard of him and the good he'd done for the other people around here. So I let him in. He started asking a bunch of questions about Lily, like if I was absolutely sure that it was suicide.
And what did you say?
The truth. That she was depressed and had been for a long time. I had no doubts about what happened.
All right. Anything else?
Well, he was weirdly curious about her paintings.
Lily painted?
Yep, that's one of hers right there on the wall.
I see. It's beautiful. So, in what way was he curious?
He asked if Lily had painted anything odd or strange. I didn't really get what he was after, but I let him have a look at her work. He spent some time browsing through them, and then he wrote something down on a piece of paper, thanked me, and left.
Huh. Any idea of what he could have seen?
Not really. I had the paintings all lined up. Could have been any of them.
Would you mind showing them to me?
Well, I would if I could, but this is the only one I have left.
Ah.
I sold the rest many years ago to this weirdo art collector.
Ça va finir en Da Vinci Code.
Mind telling me what Lily was like, Sue?
I'd be happy to. She was Nathan's older sister by 2 years. Lily was like any girl growing up, normal, happy, talking about school, boys, and whatnot. And she and Nathan were close back then, always playing together in the woods. When Lily was 10, she started drawing, always doodling on just about anything she could get her hands on. We didn't have much, really, and so she used what she could. Once I even caught her scribbling on toilet paper.
D'accord.
On her 12th birthday, we gave Lily a thick sketchbook.
Nous lui avons offert un rouleau de papier toilette. Un rouleau de sopalin. Elle est passée à
excited.
l'étape supérieure.
That was the happiest I'd ever seen her. From that day, drawing became her life. Eventually, her art teacher at school helped her to get started with oil painting. When Lily was 15, something changed. At first, I thought it was just usual teen angst, but no, this was something different. She started going out, disappearing for long periods of time. She locked herself in when painting. She never used to do that. I tried everything. Counseling, support groups, antidepressants. Nothing worked. About a year later, she just gave up. And well, you know the rest.
I'm sorry, Sue. That must have been unimaginable.
Thanks, darling, but it's been a while now. I've learned to live with it.
Ok.
Do you know anything about what happened to my grandfather? How he ended up in a wheelchair?
Stroke, wasn't it? At least that's what I heard.
Not necessarily. There are some divided opinions about it.
Now that I think about it, that whole ordeal happened to him not long after he came here.
How long?
A
20
week,
minutes.
maybe, at the most.
C'est vrai que ça fait très formule de politesse. Très forcé surtout. Ça a dû être une épreuve terrible, terrifiante, sacrément...
I don't need to ask her about that.
Ah bah non. Est-ce que tu connais Coquille?
I don't need to ask her about that. Does the name Charles Wade mean anything to you?
Oh, he's some big-time businessman, ain't he?
Yeah, he owns a large company.
That about sums up what I know about the fella.
What do you do to support the two of you?
A little bit of this and that. Got me some cash saved up, too. Nathan helps out when he can.
What happened to your husband, if you don't mind me asking?
You could say he didn't quite cope as well as I did with what happened to Lily. He got himself a death wish after what happened to her, started drinking and getting into all sorts of trouble. 5 years left for him in the joint now. Been there for 15.
Man, that must be rough for you.
Ça a dû être
Oh,
inimaginable.
we're doing just fine without him, aren't we, Nate?
Mama takes good care of us.
Mama sure does.
Ok.
So, tell me about Lily's art.
It used to be about cheerful things. Landscapes, animals, bright colors.
Et ensuite des gens
But
morts,
as
des
she
arbres...
drifted further into depression, she started painting horrible things. Death and decay.
des soleils
The last
tristes.
few pieces look like something out of a nightmare.
That's awful. Did Lily ever get any recognition for her art?
Not really. Except from the guy I told you about who bought most of her paintings.
Admirateur.
Tell me about this art collector person.
Rich, fancy looking, in his 50s or thereabouts. I'd say he'd be around 70 now if he's still alive. He knocked on that door one day with a wad of cash in his hand. $5,000. He
Oula.
wanted everything that Lily so much as touched with a brush.
Huh. Did he say why?
Nope, but I got the feeling that most of that dough was paid so he could avoid any questions. I took the money. I still had Nathan to support.
Did the stranger give you his name?
No. Well, his face was far from forgettable, though. Big nose, bright blue eyes, looked black Irish. He had a thick black mane, turning gray, no beard.
All right, Sue. Thanks.
Sacré portrait. Ok. Et à propos de ce rapport...
I'd rather just ask her about her daughter directly.
Eh, on est d'accord qu'elle s'est levée de son canapé.
Do you know what this key opens?
Well, that's a
C'est-
bit of a weird
Assis-toi,
question,
décide-toi.
ain't it? But no.
I'd rather just ask her about her daughter directly. Hey, Sue, do you recognize any of these men?
Well, there's Joseph Rain. Always so handsome. I had such a crush on him back in the day.
Un crush.
And
Et il est mort.
no
No.
way. That's him.
Oh.
The man who bought the paintings. He's much younger here, but there's no mistaking that hair and
Oh.
nose.
Are you sure?
I'm positive, little cat. That's the guy who walked into this cabin with $5,000 in
Avec
cash.
5
That's
plaques.
very helpful, Sue. Thanks. Ugh. Another question for the elusive Mr. Wade.
Ah. Ok.
No reason to show her that.
À propos de ce livre de
No
maths.
reason to show her that. No reason. No reason.
Ok.
No reason. What do you think about this church?
Est-ce que tu veux que Jésus
It's a
comble ton
good
vide?
church. I go there from time to time.
Quoi? Mais oh là
I
là.
bring Nate too when that boy needs the fear of God put into him.
La crainte de Dieu. Tu veux une clope?
It was fun the last time, but nah.
J'en ai plus beaucoup.
No reason to show.
Petit coup de taser?
I was pretty tempted before, but I think we're past that now.
Maintenant on est copines.
No reason to show.
Ok.
I think I'm gonna head off now.
Sure thing, little cat. Come back anytime.
It's getting late. I should head back to the city.
Ok. Ah, je retourne en ville.
Hey, you're still up.
I was wondering when you'd show up. How did it go?
Long story. I found out about some stuff that happened when I was a kid.
Wow, what a mystery. So what's the plan now?
Le plan. Ouais, je vais me coucher. Fin du jeu. sur Smash Mouse. Non, je vais pas mettre ça parce que ça va me striker la vidéo. Je trouverai bien quelque chose. Je vais me coucher. Faut que je fasse une sieste et après que je me couche.
Some shut-eye is the plan. I'm about to pass out.
Oh, I couldn't possibly sleep now. I'm way too excited.
Il te faut pas grand chose.
That makes one of us. Nighty.
Good night, Cat.
Et à propos de ces 6 néons de puissance industrielle dans la chambre,
Hey, Kathy, wake up.
ça aide pas à
Ugh.
dormir?
You are so lucky there are no sharp objects near this bed.
Guess what? I got an idea.
Please
va te
tell me
coucher.
it involves you taking a sabbatical.
Haha, so you found all this evidence, right? Pictures, tapes, and stuff?
I guess. Why?
Well, as you know, I have a computer. And I know this hacker guy, Dave, and...
Est-ce qu'il est suédois?
Oh, never mind. I'll just write you a note. You go back to sleep.
Seriously,
Vanina,
Eileen, sometimes I just
rappelle-toi.
marvel at how your brain works.
I know, right?
Oui. Alors? Oh, bonjour.
Are you sure you want to do this, Catherine? You still have time, if you think there's any chance you would change your mind.
Oh,
I'm sure,
un
Doctor.
rêve?
Just get it out of me. But please, don't tell my mom.
I'm sorry, but we have to do that. It's the law.
Oh. Faites comme si vous aviez oublié. Oh. Enlevez-le moi. Ça peut sentir le bébé. Bon, ça fait très girl power indépendante. Mais je vais plus lui demander directement. Bon, oubliez ça s'il vous plaît.
Nobody has to know. Just pretend it slipped your mind. I have enough shit going on with her already. This would just add fuel to the fire.
I'm afraid there's nothing I can do.
Fine. Let's just get this over with.
Finissons-en.
Right this way.
Ah, Cathy, qu'est-ce que t'as fait?
Ugh,
26
I
septembre
hate that
95, jour 2. Quel sale rêve.
I guess Eileen went to class. I probably should too.
Moi je pense que tu devrais changer d'habit.
Nah.
Non? Bon d'accord, excuse-moi, j'ai rien dit. Pardon Cathy. Alors, un petit message sur l'ordinateur?
Oh, what's this? Hi, Kat. Feel free to use my computer while I'm away. My password is Angel Love. without
Ange
the voice.
d'amour.
If you call my friend Dave at 555-2492, he can set you up with some software. I'll be back in a few hours, super psyched about the investigation. E. P.S. No gum on the keyboard, please. Remember the last time?
Okay.
Oh, please, like she actually uses the space bar. Shit, looks like she forgot to write down the username. Oh well, shouldn't be too hard to guess. I think it's just some combination of her first and last name.
Dave le hacker. Qui habite sur la colline. Non, je sais plus. La maison bleue. C'est même pas Dave. Calendrier, réveil, imprimante. Bonjour. Blue Pills. La pilule bleue. C'est clairement une référence à... Bon, à Matrix, mais j'aurais pu blaguer. Après 4 échecs de connexion... Ah merde! Ah. Des octets. Attends. On est d'accord? Donc ça c'est mégaoctets. Donc on est à 1 giga 2. Ah, en 95, un disque dur d'1 giga 2. Donc de plus d'1 giga 2. C'est balèze quand même. Non. Non, mais ça comptait pas. Mais... Je veux partir. Oh non, oh merde, là c'est la galère là. Là c'est la galère. Sauvegarder. C'est moi qui ai écrit ça? Ah voilà, je m'en vais. Salut. Ouais, merci. On va d'abord passer un coup de fil au monsieur. Ou est-ce que... Si je m'en vais là, ça me propose quoi?
Nah, I have nowhere I need to go right now.
Ok. Téléphonons. Téléphonons à Dave. Dave le Suédois. Oui,
Hey,
bonjour.
I'm Kathy. Eileen said to call you about some software.
Ellie who?
Eileen. Red hair, glasses, speaks so fast her gums ache.
Oh, right. I thought her name was Errol. Figured it was kind of a weird name for a girl.
You must have a hearing disorder.
You must have a thinking disorder.
Oula.
Burn.
Ah,
Wow, just wow. So, the software?
Oh, yeah. No, can't. Not really.
I knew she was full of shit.
Nah, I mean, sure, I used to be able to get pirated software, but not anymore. There was this misunderstanding and my network privileges were revoked. Me and Clyde, the campus IT guy, don't really see eye to eye. We used to play bocce together, and let's just say he is one sore loser.
quel poseur. Non.
Can't you just patch things up with the guy?
No way. He's such an ass. He even thinks TNG is better than
Ah,
the
ça
original
parle Star
series.
Trek. Ah mais non, mais
Thinks
Jean-Luc
the
Picard.
what is better than the what?
I know, right? Can you believe that guy?
Ça parle de Star Trek, nouvelle génération. Jean-Luc Picard forever. Jean-Luc Picard qui est français. Dans le texte. Voilà. Et tout le monde s'en fout.
Can't you just hack your way back in somehow? Isn't that what you do?
He blocked the Ethernet port in my room. I don't even have physical access.
Ah, il a mis un
Don't you
morceau de
ever leave
scotch
your room?
dessus.
Use a computer in the library or something. Aren't they connected to the network?
No, there are cameras in there. Clyde is just waiting for me to make a move so he can get me expelled.
You call yourself a hacker? Just use your brain, for Christ's sake. Let's figure this out.
Wow, you're so sassy, Nancy Drew. Well, okay, only an admin account can change the access port. The only way to even theoretically crack one would be if Clyde logged onto a machine to which we have unrestricted physical access. And... oh, I got an idea.
I'm not gonna like this.
Well, what you could do is intentionally crash your PC.
That sounds especially stupid.
Well, not crash it, just crash it a little, then call Clyde. Clyde will come over to fix it. If you're lucky, then he'll log onto the network using his admin account. Afterwards, you can use some of my tools to find and crack the password locally.
Worth a shot, I guess. Okay, you can come over and set it up.
No way. I have severe IBS. It just
Oh, charmant.
IBS? What the hell is that?
seriously don't want to know. I'll have my buddy drop
Ah, on a
off
direct la
everything.
traduction.
It's not rocket science. You do what I ask, and I'll get you some juicy software. Quid pro quo. Clary.
Quid pro quo.
Whatever,
classe.
weirdo. We'll see.
Peut-être une référence, je sais pas. Ok. Ok. Ouah, c'est un rapide. Faut pas me stalker comme ça, hein.
A thick
Okay.
yellow envelope.
Oui.
These must be the instructions from Dave.
Ah.
There was a floppy disk in there with a note taped to the back. It's labeled boot.
C'est ça, la chambre d'en face. Il m'entend parler.
1. Boot your computer using the blue floppy. 2. Use the corrupt MBR utility to crash the file system of the computer. Take the floppy out and reboot. 3. Call Clyde at 555-8181. Tell him your computer crashed and give him the error code on the screen. He'll come over and have a look. It shouldn't take too long for him to fix.
Ah, je comprends un peu.
4. Now comes the crucial part. You need to somehow make him log on with his admin
Ouais,
account.
donc allume-le quoi.
5. Reboot and retrieve the admin credentials using the blue floppy. 6. Reboot and log on using Clyde's admin account. 7. Look for some kind of tool to remotely open my Ethernet port. Dorm B, room 8.
On va le
That's
à-coup.
it. And remember, if you mess up somewhere, just call Clyde, and he'll have to take care of it. It's his job after all.
On va le à-coup. Serveur info Clyde. Bon.
Eileen borrowed it from school. She takes a bunch of computer classes.
Mais je connais même pas son nom de famille à
I'm no
Eileen.
geek, but I know how a computer, that is.
Qu'on va le planter directement. On va... Non, on va pas lui bloquer son compte. On va mettre la disquette. Tundra. Test de mémoire. 8 mégas. Disquette détectée. Phoenix. MBR, disque dur corrompu. Extraire le mot de passe administrateur. Oh, c'est beau. Phoenix Tools. Paf. Êtes-vous sûr cet ordinateur ne pourra pas démarrer à partir du disque dur? Oui. MBR corrompu. C'est pratique. Quitter et éteindre. Là, on appelle
All
le
right,
monsieur.
time for some expert help.
Un geek à lunettes. Oh, il y a un scanner.
It's some advanced scanner thingy. It can scan pictures, tapes, all sorts of stuff.
Le téléphone. Appelons un geek. Oui, allô, Clyde? Je suis toute seule dans ma chambre.
IT, this is Clyde speaking. How can I help you?
Se disputer avec Dave. Hein, quoi? C'est- Allez.
So, I hear you and Dave had some kind of fight.
Bonjour.
That's really none of your business.
Ah, il a pas raccroché, c'est cool.
I kind of forgot my username.
Well, it's real easy. It's the first letter of your first name followed by your last name. So Jane Doe would be J-Doe.
All right, sounds
Jane
easy
Doe.
enough.
C'est marrant, on voit la différence de traduction. John Doe.
Hi,
Bon.
I need you to come and fix my roommate's computer.
What seems to be the problem?
Le
Before we start
MBR
out,
est...
There's some kind of system failure with an error code on the screen.
Probably a hard drive failure. Which room are you in?
Dorm A, room 5.
I'll be there in a few minutes.
Thanks.
Ok. Ouais, toi aussi, t'es dans la chambre d'en face.
Hey, Clyde from IT.
Oh là là, la
Man.
gueule. Ouah, t'es grand. T'es vachement grand.
My, oh my, now how did this happen?
Oh,
I
rien.
have no idea. It was like this when I started it up this morning.
Let's have a look. And presto, good as new.
That's perfect. Could you try logging on real quick just to make sure it works?
You go ahead, I'll wait.
Mais je connais pas mon nom. Et le tien? Ah bah oui. Non mais je connais pas le nom. Il doit être au moins niveau mage noir, niveau 40. Je m'appelle... Mais moi j'ai pas de session moi. Donc on va le bloquer. Je m'appelle John Doe. Avec un mot de passe... Oh bah j'insiste hein. C'est bizarre, ça ne marche pas. D'habitude ça marche. Mais je veux partir. Je veux planter cet ordi de mort. Vite. Non. Mamma mia. Je veux partir. Mais donne-moi ton mot de passe. Ça ne marche pas.
Yeah, that worked. Thanks.
Non.
No problem. Let me know if you have any more trouble.
Non, ça ne marche pas. Mais reste avec moi. Il faut que je mette le vrai nom.
I have to come up with a way to force him to log on.
Mais je veux le planter, l'ordi. L'ordi de ses morts. Note d'Aileen. Ah, elle m'a donné son mot de passe.
Feel free to use my computer while I'm away. My password is angellove.
Ange d'amour.
If you call my friend Dave at 55, super psyched. That missing username is a bit annoying, but I think I can.
C'est tant mieux de ne pas
based
voir
off
son
her
nom
names.
d'utilisateur. Ah, alors. Où est-ce que j'ai son truc à elle? Je sais plus. Elle a bossé pour le Titanic, non? Téléphone.
That movie's not out yet. It's a promo poster Eileen got for being an extra. She tells
Il me
everyone
faut son
who
nom de
walks in
famille.
here this.
Ah, la valise, bien joué. Ah, ça y est, ça backseat.
Eileen's girly suitcase. There's a sticker on it with her
Eileen
full name.
Mildred Summers.
Eileen Mildred Summers.
Donc c'est Aileen Summers. Donc... E. Summers. I. Ange d'amour. Mais non, en fait, je veux pas me connecter. je veux planter le truc. Scanner vide. Ok. Disquette vide. Bien. Super. On rebug tout, allez. Hop. Oui, Clyde, c'est encore moi. J'aimerais bien que tu repasses me voir.
IT, this is Clyde speaking. How can I help you?
So, I hear you and Dave had some kind of fight?
That's real.
Never mind.
Suit yourself.
Ok. Faut replanter, mais j'ai essayé. Ah, bon. 66 MHz. Ok, on rappelle le monsieur.
And presto, good as new.
Presto!
That's perfect. Could you try logging on real quick just to make sure it works?
You go ahead, I'll wait.
Quatre échecs de connexion. Donc si je fais... Oui. Le français, bon. Ah, oups. Oh là là. Pourtant, ça marchait tout à l'heure. Mince, je ne comprends pas.
Now
Oh
look what I
non,
did.
qu'est-ce que je suis maladroite.
Crying out loud. Let me try to log in with my account.
Ah oui, ce serait gentil.
Okay, everything seems to be in order. I've unlocked your account. Please, try not to break anything
Je suis très
else.
occupé dans mon bureau.
Oh, I'll try.
Oh, ce petit sourire.
Phase 1 complete.
Maintenant, on remet la disquette. Pouf. C'est vrai que le français, c'est maître principal, esclave principal. Voilà. La musique qui part en couille. Utilisateur, admin, mot de passe, gadget. Ah, gogo gadgeto. Ok, quitter et éteindre. Utiliser ordinateur. Désolé Summers. Est-ce qu'on lui bloque son compte? Mot de passe incorrect. Bon, on peut pas bloquer son compte. Bienvenue Clyde. Ouh. Paramètres réseau. Ouh. Alors c'est le dortoir B. Port 8, il me semble. Voilà, désactivé. On peut désactiver tous les autres.
No need to change the status of that port.
Oh bah non. Je veux arrêter tout internet sur le campus.
Alright, that should do it.
Eh, tu me remercieras. Paf, et on déco. Téléphone.
IT, this is Clyde speaking. How can I help you?
Mais non, c'est pas...
Never mind.
Désolé, pardon.
Yourself.
C'est pas moi qui viens d'appeler. Dave le hacker. Dave le haku.
Yeah.
Oui,
Guess what?
You got it? Hang on.
là. Allez,
Oh man, I could kiss you. Thank you for
tout
the
bien,
tip.
tout honneur, bien sûr.
I'm so gonna get back at Clyde now. What are those admin credentials, by the way?
Not telling, buddy. Saving those for a rainy day.
Huh. I suppose this nice floppy I prepared for you stays in my room then.
Sure, then I'll just have to log back on and click that pretty little lock icon again.
Now this is just emotional blackmail.
Bien sûr.
Quid pro quo, Dave.
Fine. I'll have it dropped off at your room. God damn, you're like a she-Clyde. A Clydette.
Une
Huh,
Clydette.
that is the worst insult I have ever heard. Later, Dave.
Et pourquoi on devait lui téléphoner déjà? J'ai oublié parce que à force de... Je voulais le logiciel moi.
I don't need to call him right now.
Il est où mon logiciel? Ah oui. Ah oui c'est vrai. Livraison express.
I'll just get rid of these notes now. I don't need them anymore.
Ok. Quoi, une autre disquette?
This must be the software I need.
The software.
There was a floppy disk inside.
Encore une.
It's labeled Tools.
Tools. Outils. Petite disquette. C'est quand même des beaux logiciels hein, sur 1 méga 4 que contenait une disquette. C'est fort. Hein. J'imagine qu'il faut se reco. Bon, on va se reco sur quoi? Sur admin ou... Bienvenue Clyde. On va lui rebloquer son port. Quel connard. Au revoir.
Nah, I'll leave it open. Unless Dave pisses me off.
Bah oui, tu m'as énervé. Bon, outils. Oh là, oh là, oh là. Déposer les fichiers audio et analyser. Non. Ah, par contre, analyseur d'images. Je veux bien. Scanner vide. Moi, je veux bien. Mais pas besoin d'éteindre l'ordinateur. On va mettre la photo surexposée dans le scanner. Ok. Il faut se reco quoi. Allez. Très bien. Allez. Hop, toi tu vas là-dedans. Oh. Waouh. Ah, je suis un un graphiste. Oh là là, retour, analyser l'image. Imprimer l'image actuelle. Analyser l'image. Ok. On imprime l'image.
I already have the original.
Comment ça? Alors. Oh! Ah non, ça c'est mieux. Oh, des orbes lumineuses. Faut vraiment tout baisser, hein. Oh là là. Non, là c'est pas mal.
What the hell is that? Ball lightning?
C'est
I'll
Donjons
print
et
the whole
Dragons.
picture for now, but there's probably more to find.
Oh, ce bruit. Oh, c'est X-Files en fait.
I already have a copy.
Analyser l'image. Wow, mais c'est les experts. Quoi? Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que ce logiciel? C'est les Illuminati. Bah moi mon Paint il m'analyse mes photos de famille. Et il me dit que machin est dépressif au fond à droite.
That shape has to be significant somehow.
Oui, c'est un triangle quoi. Le futur de 95. Je réanalyse. Ouais, bah c'est bien. Et la fleur là. Je veux. Mais c'est la fleur.
Unusual flower over there though. Never seen anything like it.
Oui.
Maybe worth printing?
C'est Blade Runner en fait. Ah, j'ai pas imprimé le triangle. J'envoie une épreuve de... Merde, qu'est-ce qu'elle a dit?
I already have.
Ah, j'ai cliqué.
I don't want to print that part of the image.
Bah. Si. Analyse. Et là j'imprime. Non, mais je voulais imprimer. Oh là là.
I don't want to print that.
Bon, je pense que c'est bon. Et là au fond, c'est... Ouah, c'est un visage ce truc.
I don't want to.
C'est Lost. C'est le fog de Lost. Bon. Ça me paraît pas mal. Fichier audio, j'ai pas de fichier audio, je crois pas. Ah c'est pareil, le scanner il est bien multifonction hein, parce que... Ah si, il y a le répondeur à analyser. Que ça gueulait comme un putois. La cassette du répondeur. Elle est où? Elle est dans la machine encore. Doucement le piano. C'est quand même un sacré scanner hein. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce scanner? Cassette répondeur.wave. Hop, allez, c'est parti.
Okay, Erica Wade. Let's see if we can't motivate you to hear me out.
Trouver 5 voix différentes divisées en sections. Quoi? Qu'est-ce que... Après bien bip
I
chez
don't
les...
think I need to manipulate this particular voice recording. I don't think I need to manipulate.
You've reached the Rain residence. Leave a message after the beep.
I don't think I need to manipulate this particular voice.
Bah oui, non. Ah, bonjour, c'est Charles. Wow. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce logiciel? Alors, faut qu'il m'écoute. On va venir vous chercher. Ah merde, c'est bon, bah c'est, je pense que c'est celui-là. Non. Charles. Wow.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call. Erica just had her firstborn. It's a boy. Thankfully, he looks nothing like his father. Listen, I was thinking maybe you'd like to come and visit. And what about your little Kathy? Maybe she wants to see the baby. Well, anyways, I hope to see you soon. All the best. Bye.
Ouais. Ah, bon celui-là ça pue. C'est celui où ça hurlait. Bon. Wow.
What the hell?
Ah, je l'attendais pas
Come
celle-là.
on, Kathy, think. Just think. It has to be some sick joke left in the program by Dave. Yeah, that must be it. He is one twisted fuck.
Il est tordu ce con. Ah, je me sens pas bien. Et si je fais play? Ah.
I don't think I need to manipulate this particular voice recording.
Police.
I don't think I need to manipulate this
Bon, bah
particular
c'est que
voice
c'est le
recording.
deuxième. Ah, Coquille. Tu dois connaître Coquille.
I don't think I need to manipulate
Ah
this
non.
particular.
Bon bah non, je connais pas Coquille.
I don't think I need.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call.
It's me, Charles. C'est Charles. Voudriez-vous appeler? J'en sais rien. Au secours! Voudriez-vous appeler Cathy Rain? Elle est où? Cathy? Ah non, c'est Erika. Erika, c'est le nom de sa fille.
I should probably greet my intended recipient first.
Merde. Bonjour. Ah bon, elle va m'aider quand même. C'est pas aussi ouf. Bonjour. C'est Charles Wade? Joseph Wade? Non, Charles. Bonjour Charles.
I'm greeting Charles Wade with his
Je salue
own
Charles
voice.
Wade en utilisant sa propre voix.
That makes
Ah
sense.
merde! Bonjour Charles. C'est Charles. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu Charles? Bonjour. Bonjour Erika. J'aimerais parler à Cathy. Voudriez-vous... Ah, ça aura aucun sens. Voudriez-vous... faire venir... Il n'y a pas un faire? Premier père... Faire venir... Après MIP, laisser... Voudriez-vous faire venir Catherine?
I should let the recipient know who is speaking with this voice.
Ah. Ah, bonjour Erika, c'est Charles. C'est Charles. Voudriez-vous appeler Cathy Rain? Yule Cathy.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me.
Non, chut.
I don't think I need to manipulate this particular voice.
Mais si! Oh là là. J'ai pas vu Rain dans celui-là, si?
I should probably mention myself, Kathy Rain.
Ah oui! Mais je veux... Madame Cathy. Non, ça fait trop bizarre. Pour premier père, quel est que... Rain. Paf. Voudriez-vous appeler Cathy Rain? Voilà. Voilà.
Almost. Just a few more tweaks.
Je suis trop fort.
That should work.
Normalisation des schémas vocaux. Putain, ce logiciel. Appelle Catherine et donne-lui ce qu'elle veut. Au revoir. Le message vocal a bien été enregistré. Ok.
All right, the forged message should now be at the end of the original tape.
Ok. On va revoir le message de mort. Voilà, je te vois Cathy. Quitter. Donc, si je mets la cassette répondeur combinée avec ça, puis on va l'appeler. Combiner dictaphone avec la résidence Wade. Bonjour, c'est ton père. Ah bon, ça va.
That combination makes no sense.
Bien sûr que si. Bien sûr que si. Ah. Mais bien sûr que si.
Just a phone.
Je regarde le téléphone. Et le répondeur qui tourne derrière. Micro-cassette enquête. Faut l'enlever?
That combination makes no sense.
Mais non. Bon, tant pis. Ah, il faut que je le règle. Pensez à micro-cassette.
The tape I found in the briefcase. It seems that it was used in an...
Ok. Peut-être le mettre au bon endroit?
Not right now. I have the forged message.
Ah, ok. Ouais, c'est juste que je suis une bille. À propos, c'est pas moi qui viens de téléphoner. Hein.
You've reached Erica Wade. Leave a...
Ok.
Hello, Erica. It's your father. Call Kathy Rain and give her what she wants. Bye.
Au revoir. Et voilà. Oui, allô, c'est Cathy Rain. C'est très étonnant. Moi qui avais envie de vous appeler.
You've reached Erica Wade. Leave a message after the beep.
Hi, Erica. This is Kathy Rain. I spoke to your father. He asked me to get in touch with you and said he would call ahead. You can reach me at 555-8352. Bye.
Goodbye.
Your move, Erica.
Ouais. Prendre une petite clope en attendant.
My smokes.
Tu appelles? C'est qui? Oh, bonjour.
Oh, hello there, Mildred.
Hi
Mildred.
yourself, Agatha.
Oh merde.
How'd you... Oh, never mind.
I know your social security number too.
Oh, God. Soon you'll start stealing my clothes and then walk around in them pretending to be me.
Who says I haven't done that already?
Okay, I admit that's pretty funny.
So anyway, how did things go with Dave?
Pretty good. I had to sabotage your computer.
You had to what?
Oh, chill outy. It was just a tiny little thing. I just needed an excuse for the IT guy to come by so I could steal his password.
Clyde? But he's so nice. Why'd you want to steal his password?
It's a long story. And then I used Mr. Wade's synthesized voice to craft this fake message, which I left on her answering machine.
Now that's some out-of-the-box thinking.
Yep, just might be silly enough to work.
Yeah. Anyhow, feel free to keep using my computer. I need to do some homework anyway.
Sounds good. I'm sure I found everything in the picture of those lights, but I have a nagging feeling that they're connected to something I found yesterday.
On est déjà 58 minutes. Je vais arrêter là. Ouais, je pense. Sauvegarder. Ah, on a la sauvegarde auto là. Ok. On va l'appeler c'est cool. C'est cool ce jeu. Voilà. Minute papillon.